So this is just a recap for day 33, I believe, and it was a bad day in the market. Day 34 actually. So the day started out okay. We started trading our micros and hit our profit, went long, made a couple of trades. I believe that there was something that happened that made me a bit threw me off a little bit here in NinjaTrader order. So something happened. I got out, seeing that I was about $60 or so away from my daily goal. Decided to keep trading. Came into the market, kept chasing it. Decided to justify chasing with a short, looking for that move down, which was a very late signal because the actual signal was up here. A couple of trades before I waited and been more patient, would have hit my daily goal, but did not. Got out early, eventually decided to get in late, and just through here I was looking for that move down at 36.50, used the move of an average cross system, market consolidated, kept getting in and getting out, whittling down the profits I had on the day. Eventually decided I'm going to stick with going short, saw this bullish candle, which should have been an indicator to get out, added, thought we would still see the move down, added as it kept going up, saw that I have exceeded the max number of contracts, so that kind of threw me off a little bit, so I decided to get out. As you can see, not long after I got out, the market sold off. After that, out of frustration, kept on trading through here, just trying to scalp, and started trading with minis, 3 minis again, trying to scalp, and ultimately lost my account. So somewhat frustrating, but I suppose it was coming at some point. So I kept adding, looking for the move down, and as we are seeing now, if I didn't exceed the max number of contracts and kept adding there, targets would have been hit as the market retraced here. As you can see, that would have gone 60 points against me, which isn't good. So added to losers, which I shouldn't do. Use moving average cross system in a market which I did not even look to see what the range of the market was. The market range was 225 points, and I should have got out up here for a 30-point loss. Instead, kept adding, got discombobulated all the way in this area of high volume, and ultimately paid by losing the account. So what can I say? I thought I'd got over the averaging into a position that was losing and trying to get out, but I did exactly that. There were plenty of opportunities to get out. There's opportunity to get out right here as we broke the highs. Actually, to think I was short below this 262, and as we closed above it, I still was in the position short. Is very poor on my part. Very poor on my part. And yeah, we lost the account. So we'll have a look at the trade performance for today. Let's just have a look here. And as we can see, the trade that I kept trading and eventually got out. Eventually got out of, all the way up there. Would have been in profit, but I added far too much to that loser, so hindsight, no good. So let's just have a look here at the account being lost. Let's see, so profit factor not close to zero. There's our losses, there's our total profits. Our accuracy was poor at 25%. Let's see, average winner 64, average loser 124, that's almost twice the size. Largest win is almost, the largest loss is almost pretty much 3 times the size of the largest win. This lost account, as we can see here, we were positive $60 from our ultimate daily goal. As we can see, we've gone into this drawdown, very big drawdown, and lost the account right there. Half an hour, you can see. So the previous hour, which is, let's have a look. During the lunch hour, during the lunch hour of New York. I'm not sure if it's, I could blame this on the lunch hour, because ultimately I added into a loser quite a bit. I'm not sure if I want to put that down to lunch hour, despite my lunch hour trading being bad. As we can see, the size of these losers, very significant. And that's where we are. So that's this account lost. That's this account lost. And we'll have to move on. We have to move on and accept it. These things happen. We have to think about what are we going to do in the future to prevent ourselves from doing something like this. Do we stop trading being so close to target? Do we stop trading being close to target? Moving stops, definitely should not be doing that. Definitely should not be doing that. You see a day like this, I can't blame the system, because I didn't follow the system. So can't blame the system because I didn't follow it. It's plain and simple. If I followed the system and the system didn't work, then I could move on, but I didn't follow it. I did not follow it at all. Traded multiple systems, traded a range bound system here as well. A range bound system had a short right there. Let's see. Again, I was in on the shorts right there. Quickly adjusted my stop to break even. Market came back. I was late with the entry as well. Market came back and stopped me out. Now if I would have held that position, it would have been up 51 points. So, and ultimately the reason I couldn't hold the position was because I drew down by so much by averaging into this position here and ultimately closing for a loss. trading too many systems. So this was far more here. So we'll end it for the day here, and we'll definitely be coming back tomorrow and going forward. So what we'll do is we'll just reset this account and see where we are, and hope to learn lessons from this. So averaging in, despite it working here, this market could easily have reversed to the upside. So we'll just have to accept it, hope to learn lessons from today, and that's about it. So if you've watched the video, thanks for watching.